Hi and welcome to Golden Drops Wellness. I'm Karin Hagberg and I'd like to welcome you into the Golden Drops Wellness team. So the reason why you're getting this video is because you have gotten started with one of the wholesale packs from Vidafy and you're part of the Golden Drops Wellness team. So you could have been referred to the Golden Drops Vidafy by myself or one person in my team. So it doesn't matter who referred you to it, you are in the Golden Drops Wellness team now, and I'd like to welcome you in there. If you've got any questions at all, know that you can reach out to the person that referred you to Vidafy. We call that your upline. And of course, if that person can't answer all the questions, they're going to have support by me or other people above. So you're always going to be supported. So welcome. It's great to have you here. We all come into Vidafy using the turmeric for many different reasons. For most of it is because we want to transform our wellness. There's something going on. We've been drawn towards using these products to better our health. So that's one of the perspectives we come in from. For others, it is that they want to build a business and create an additional form of income, which is amazing too. For most, it's probably both. It doesn't matter what angle you're coming in from. You are very welcome. Know that you come in with one of these starter packs. You have kind of a business in a box. So just so you're aware of that, it comes with a business setup. You actually have a website that you can share your links with and obviously get a little bit of a commission or money from that. And you can use that towards more products, or if you want to build a business and build a team, we're obviously here to help you with that. So yeah, it comes with a home page, a website. You all have that. So I want to show you that. So I'm going to screen share. And I'm going to first show you what we call the back office. So this is different to actually the website. I'm going to show you the website too. So I'm going to flick it to and from a little bit here. But this is what we call the back office, and that's where we can find all kinds of different information. So I'm going to log in there, and when you sign up, the person that referred you would have given you information to your username and password. In case you have forgotten your username and password, you press here. Know that your username is generally always lowercase, your first and second name. Okay, so if you have forgotten it, you can click forgot username and password, and you've got the different option of resetting it via email or phone and so on. So it's pretty easy to find. So I'm going to log in there. Hopefully the internet is not too slow. And I'm going to very quickly in this video just show you where you can locate some things, and we'll go more in depth when we do what we call an onboarding call. So this is how it looks at the back office. This first page, there's a lot of information. You can find information about the business snapshot. There's a little bit of training in there. Very, very easy. You just go through and watch some videos. I highly recommend you do that. I've done it, as you can see. This is where you can see your status, the rank if you build a business. You got your code to your website. We'll see if we can actually, that's going to come up as someone else. I've got to log out there and I'll log in tomorrow. I'll go back to that later, but that's actually will be my website, not this person's website. I'm going to go back to, so that's where you find your website where you can find your links when you share it with people. There's a QR code too, so you can share that as well. And this is where the e-wallet is. The commission sits in there. We've got points towards the trips, the free trips we can get. The Vidafy points is towards the 2 kinds of trips. I won't go into that here. But you can basically win free trips. All right. On the left-hand side here, we got a few different tabs. We got home, we got training, we got orders, we got business, we've got tools, settings, support. I highly recommend you go in and have a little look there. I just want to show you initially where the order is. That's under order and order history. I have got a specific video that shows how to track your order, but know that you can go in and check the order history in here. You can actually get the tracking number too. And in the tracking video that I've got for you as well, you can put the tracking number in and actually see where your order is. So there's lots of information here. You can change the settings, you can add photo and all that sort of jazz. I'll go back to the home. So that's the back end of the site. All right. I'll go back to the dashboard. It's going to come up soon. All right. So it's all there. All that information, you see the orders there. So it's important that you understand you got all this information in what we call the back office. All right. I'm going to stop sharing. I'm going to go to another. So I'm going to reshare it again to something else. Hang on. Got to go to this one. All right. Let's see if I can share it again. That's not what I wanted. Technical stuff, you've got to be patient, hey? Oh, it doesn't seem to be coming up. So I'm going to go stop share. I'm going to do it again. Sorry, bit of playing around here. See if it works now. A little bit of issues there with the sharing. Apologies now. It should be working there. All right, here we are. So I wanted to show you the website that you actually get. You all have one of these. And if you look in the URL up the top, it will say vidafyglobal.com/your name. So for me, it's Karin Hagberg up the top. On the right-hand side here, there's a flag. All the countries that have been launched, all their flags are there. So for, say, for example, I'm going to refer someone in Sweden to Vidafy. I click on the Swedish flag. Now, the top menu here has got shop, earn, join, about, contact. Now, if people want to go in and shop, you click shop. All right. Now, because it's launched in Sweden, you can see all the different options people have here and just become your customer. So in the URL, you can actually share this vidafyglobal.com/Karin Hagberg/shop and share that link. All right. Now, if someone in Sweden wanted to join, you click on join. And this is where you start the process, putting the email in, and then you get access to having a look at all the different packs there are. All right. So I am going to stop sharing now. I'm going to go to something else. I'm going to start sharing again. There we go. Hope you can see that okay. This is the group that we call Natural Wellness Solutions. this is kind of the testimonial group. This is a group that's open to anyone. So if you want to, first of all, obviously become a member, if you're not already in this, make sure you share it with your friends, because the power in this is you can go in and have a look at what people write about the groups. For example, here's a testimonial. This is from Carly Pignatelli, and she's written a little bit about her testimonial there. And there's so many people getting extraordinary results, and there's tips and everything. So you definitely want to be part of that group, Natural Wellness Solution. Now, when you share this group with someone, don't invite them here. Press on the click, invite, and then copy the link here, and then you send it to the people. Now, it's really, really important that when you send that link to someone, make sure they know that they got to answer all the questions. So who invited you? Well, that was Karin Hagberg. And then you have to agree to the rules in the group. Otherwise, they won't let you in. So that's Natural Wellness Solutions Biomass Group. This is the Australia's, like the big group of the business group, the whole of Australia. It's called Biomass Wellness Evolution International Team. You can see that's 2.2K members. You just invite people, share the link there. Again, they must answer the questions. So in this group, Biomass, there's guides. Now, if you're just getting started, this is where you want to work your way through all the guides. There's about 12 different guides, I think. And you can see there's green ticks of the ones that I have worked through. I think this one's been updated. So if I go into that one, I can write done, and it gives it a green tick there. I don't know if you can see that on the left. So there's everything you know how to share Vidafy with people. So this is the business group. You can find all the questions there. All right. There's a few other, there's another group just for the Golden Drops Wellness community. This is everyone underneath me. This is my community, and I'll invite you there as well. So I'm going to invite someone in here. Let's see if I can do that. It seems very slow. Maybe I'll have to wait. Maybe I'll wait for that. I'll do that later. But that's another group. That's for everyone underneath me. All right. Then there are some group chats. So we've got two group chats. There's one called Biomass Wellness Team, Heart-Centered. I'm just going to show you that Biomass. It's a bit slow. There's two groups anyway. They're Biomass, Heart-Centered something. That's the business group chat. Make sure you're part of that. Don't delete, go out of it. Just mute the notifications. I've got one called Golden Drops Wellness Team too. You'll be invited into those. So that's all I want to share with you now and welcome you in. Make sure you reach out for help with the person that got you started with the drops, or reach out to myself, comment below or whatever, and we'll help you out. So big welcome to you. Look forward to all the amazing results you'll get, and share this beautiful gift with anyone that's in the need of it. All right. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.